Can I bring a personal injury claim after a car accident? Yes. You may be able to bring a personal injury claim if another person's negligence caused the crash, and the crash caused your injuries or losses. It is not enough to show that an accident happened. You usually need evidence showing what the other driver did wrong, how that caused the collision, and how the collision caused your medical problems, missed work, or other damages. Common examples include speeding, distracted driving, following too closely, unsafe lane changes, failing to yield, or running a traffic signal. In North Carolina, one important issue is contributory negligence. If the insurance company proves that you also helped cause the crash, that can seriously hurt your injury claim. That is why evidence matters. Helpful evidence can include the crash report, photos, videos, witness information, medical records, bills, proof of missed work, repair records, and messages from the insurance company. You should also pay close attention to the deadline. For many North Carolina personal injury claims, the lawsuit deadline is 3 years, and settlement talks with an adjuster do not automatically extend that deadline. A claim may still be possible even if there are issues like delayed treatment, little vehicle damage, or a disputed crash, but those facts can make the claim harder to prove. The best next step is to gather your records and have the facts reviewed before evidence is lost or the deadline gets closer.